All right, this is a floor plan called the Region. It's 2,055 square feet, 4 bed, 2.5 bath. So this is a little bit of a larger floor plan than the ones that I've seen here at Woodside. This one's a little bit different, doesn't have too much of a front patio. But let's take a look. As you see off to the left, you got the kitchen here. A lot of open space here on the first floor for this one as well. You got a bathroom. There's a window in the bathroom as well. I must point that out. Lots of windows. Lots of windows. I like that. More God-given light. Some breeze whenever the time comes for that to come. Fresh air, most importantly. Very large island here in the kitchen. Plenty of cabinet space for those who like to get, down in the kitchen. Definitely a lot of room. As I've mentioned in other videos, one thing that is common about Woodside is you're going to have a patio that is around this size. Let's take a look at what it looks like upstairs. Before we do that, I do want to see the cabinets. Sorry, not the cabinets, but the shelves. I'm going to assume this is more storage space underneath, and it is. Another window up top for some natural lighting. Okay, so you have an open area here on the second floor. Let's take a look at, see here, you have the washroom. Plenty of windows in this home so far, as it should be. This is a third bedroom that looks like they just turned into an office space to give you an example of, the possibilities that you have in a home of this size. Some more closet space. And onto the master. It's a pretty big closet here. I like this. Somebody could probably sleep in here. That's how big the closet is if I had to give you an estimate. All right, got the bathroom. More bathroom. Walk-in shower. Gotta love it. I know I do. A lot of space in this home. A lot of windows, natural lighting. Fairly big, hallway in the second floor. Obviously, because you have this here. Let me know what you think. Like, comment, subscribe. We'll walk down here to give you a view of how things look walking downstairs.